The diagram shows a prism and we need to find an expression in terms of x for the volume of the prism. Remember, the volume equals the cross-sectional area times the length. The cross-sectional area in this shape is this U shape. So we need to work out the area of that U shape and multiply it by x plus 1 because that's the length going back. To work out the area of this U shape, I could split it into 3 rectangles, or I could work out the area of the rectangle, the whole rectangle, and then take away the area of this rectangle in the middle. Either way will give you the same answer. I'm going to do the second method just because it involves less calculations, I think, to begin with. There's only 2 areas I need to work out, a big rectangle and a small rectangle, rather than 3 separate rectangles. So the big rectangle, let me draw that out. That's 4x minus 1 across, and it's x plus 2 across. So the area of that is 4x minus 1 times x plus 2, which would be equal to 4x squared plus 8x minus x minus 2, which simplifies to 4x squared plus 7x minus 2. So that's the area of the big rectangle. I then need to take away the area of the small rectangle here. Now I know the height is 2x from here. I'd like to know what the width is. It doesn't tell me what that is directly, but I can work it out pretty easily because I know that all the way across is 4x minus 1, and I know that this is x, and I know that this is x. So I've got 4x minus 1 take away 2x. So 4x minus 1 take away 2x is 2x minus 1. So the area of this small rectangle will be 2x minus 1 times 2x, which is going to be 4x squared minus 2x. So to work out the area of the U shape, I will take those away from each other. So it's going to be the big rectangle, 4x squared plus 7x minus 2, take away the small rectangle, which is 4x squared minus 2x. Notice I'm using brackets here because I need to take away both of these 2 terms. 4x squared take away 4x squared is 0. 7x minus 2x, so that's going to be 7x plus 2x, which is 9x, and then I've just got the minus 2. So the area of the U shape is 9x minus 2. I then need to multiply that by the length to get the volume. So the volume is 9x minus 2 times x plus 1. And I could multiply those brackets out, and I'll get 9x squared plus 9x minus 2x minus 2. And then collect up those like terms in the middle to be 9x squared plus 7x minus 2. And that's my final answer.